Hello everyone, next we will start off by taking our loop and now make a U shape out of it. Bring the U shape part of it downwards. Put one end into the other and then make a knot out of it as such. Now take the other two ends of it and now spread it out. This is what it should look like. Next, make this loop shape and then twist it into a bow, wrap it upwards as such. Afterwards, add a stick into it and now tighten the either two sides of it. Make a loop out of some rope and then make another one. Add one on top of the other as such. Add a stick through it and now tighten it around it. Next, we will start off by making a loop and make another one. Now add one on top of the other and now loosen one side of it. Now, after you do so, add a stick into it and now tighten this around your stick. It can be a rather thick one at this. Start off by making a knot around any sort of cylindrical object, then make multiple loops and then tighten one end, make two more loops at the bottom, wrap it around the other and then bring it through once more. Do this with one of the ends. Continue to do this. This is a repetitive process. Take two beer bottles, taking some thin rope or thread, wrap it around, put one loop into the other as such. Now tighten it together and now you can hold it and carry it all around. Next, we will start off by taking some rope, make a loop out of it as such. Make another one as well, do this around your fingers, then add one end through it and now wrap it around and bring it right through it. Now this is what it should look like. Tighten it once you are done. This is what you will be left with. Next, take your rope and then make a knot out of it as such. Bring it through, however, do not pull it tight. Bring it back down into the hole and then tighten it once you are done. Next, taking some bamboo and some thin rope, wrap it around in this cross shape and then once you reach the bottom, pull it through the top as such. This should make a knot out of it and now tighten it once you are done as tightly as you can. On top of this, you may add a normal knot to it. Next, add this in a crisscross shape and then afterwards put one end through the other and then tighten it. Thank you for watching.